What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And I know a lot of people is wondering, will PHUN reach and breach the $9 levels before the election? Well, I believe so. Stick around, I'm going to tell you why. But before we do so, let's face it, you can be anywhere in the world right now, but you're here with me, Grandmaster-OBI. And in case you didn't know, I will be going live 1 p.m. Central Time over on my main YouTube channel, which is called Making Easy Money. And when you guys do get over here, make sure you set that notify me button so you will be notified when I go live. If you're currently holding PHUN, let me know in the comment section below by commenting the ticker symbol. If we can get 20 of those, I will continue to update PHUN here daily on the channel. Now, with that being said, as you all know, the presidential election is right around the corner, and we're seeing a lot of speculative buying roll into these Donald Trump favored stocks off of him being elected. With that being said, I do feel as though that PHUN will reach and breach those $9 levels ahead of the presidential election. And just Thursday, HC Winright raised their price target on PHUN from $7 to $9. But do not get it mistaken, PHUN nor DJT is a long-term play. In fact, we expect major retracement shortly after the election, maybe 1 or 2 days later. And if he isn't elected, things can get very bad for stocks like PHUN, RUM, and definitely DJT. Now, I first alerted PHUN over in our Discord back on 10/11 for the entry price of $4.35, with that first target being $4.70 plus. We actually reached and breached that, of course, and I ended up hitting a second price target here on PHUN back on the 16th of October. As you guys can see here, with the price target being $7 plus, we ultimately reached and breached that, and I set a price target for $8.20 plus. I am raising that price target here today to $9.70. I do feel as though that we're going to blow through that $9 mark. And like I said before, make sure you get over to the Discord so you will not miss out on home run plays like you see here today. DRUG was alerted over in our Discord for the entry price of $2.95. I alerted that back on the 15th. And if we take a brief look and check out DRUG here really quickly, as you guys can see here, the stock ran as high on Friday of $79 again, from our alert entry of only $2.95. These are home run plays you cannot afford to miss out on. And with a 7-day free trial, expect a home run play like you see here today. Remember, the sign up link is in the description below. Now, far as how the data and charts is looking for PHUN, these last 3 days we have set consecutive higher lows, but we have failed to set higher highs here on Friday. That isn't a huge scare sign at all, so do not panic. One thing's for sure, two things for certain though, the PCD isn't showing us any clear sign here currently. So what we really want to watch is basically the overall market trend here currently. And another thing that I want to point out to you guys, Friday wasn't a huge volume trading day at all for PHUN, only 5.3 million in total volume. With that being said, we do want to see a turnaround in volume here next week for sure, but I do feel as though that $9 PT will be breached before the end of October for sure, and the likelihood of short covers taking place. Here on Friday, we did get a nasty, should I say, net inflow in favorment here. Not the biggest that we have seen here. Back on the 15th on this day here, major retracement day, guys. That's when huge short positions was taken here. We did get nice covering here that went on the 17th. But far as here on Friday, more shorting than covering, but not a lot of shorting due to the low trading volume. So the stack short positions from Thursday still looks as though that it is lingering around. We didn't see a huge sign of Thursday short positions being covered here Friday at all. So the PHUN short cover situation that can take place here Monday is likely. What we want to see here, this thing actually open here before, not before, but above those $7.40 levels, which will put huge pressure on those short positions taken here on Thursday that is still lingering around the market. As you all know, DJT did fall short of its gamma squeeze here on Friday. Like I explained to you guys in previous videos, DJT needed to close above $30 in order to pit those huge amount of call contracts in the money. As you all know, $30 and $35 strike was the calling card for that gamma squeeze to actually take place. So with that being said, if you're in DJT, make sure you get over to my main YouTube channel and check out that latest update. If you made it this far in the video, can you please comment in the comment section below the word "Still Here With You, Obi"? The comments really do help the channel grow. But make sure you check out my latest DJT video, which is titled "The Jig Is Up, Is the Hype Over? When Will Grandmaster-OBI Sell?" Make sure you check that video out. And again, I will be going live here Monday, 1 p.m. Central Time. Make sure you guys get over here. I will be giving out more high alert. But back to DJT. Of course, like I said before, this thing did fall short of its gamma squeeze, but next week is again another chance for this thing to actually breach those $34 and $37 levels. Like I told you guys before, I do feel as though that DJT is headed between that price range. We didn't hit the $34 yet. We went as high as $33.85, but I do feel as though that we're headed towards that price range. Far as DJT PT before the election, make sure you guys get over to, again, my main YouTube channel and check that out. And may the gains be with you. And if you're wondering what trading platform I am using, it is called Moomoo. If you do want to sign up for Moomoo, remember using my sign up link in the description below will grant everyone these perks you see here on the screen. All you have to do is make your initial deposit of only $100. But not only will you get an extra 3-day trades a week, but also these free stocks that Moomoo is currently offering can value up to $2,500 each. Also, you will have key data, tools, and resources at your disposal, such as the daily short sell analysis and the interpretations of indicators chart, which is a huge game changer for beginners and novice traders that do not understand how to read charts or indicators really well. So again, using my sign up link in the description below while signing up for Moomoo, you get a lot to gain and nothing to lose. Hey man, what you doing? Smash the like button.